What's up guys, this is Evan from Roambuilt. We're going to walk through an installation of our Sprinter van passenger side box and accessory mount. Now if you also ordered the driver side setup, we have a video for that as well. I want to point out that this is all aluminum, so it's super light, but it's a standard heavy gauge pipe size, 1.9 OD, so it's also very sturdy. It's got holes for just about any kind of mounting you could want. It's pre-drilled for our 24 by 40 Overland box. It has molly panels, it has L-track holes, E-track holes, and then these holes are for 1/4 inch carriage bolts, and these are for 3/8 inch carriage bolts. And then if there's something else you need that it doesn't have, it's aluminum, so it's easy to drill. All right, let's get started. The only prep work you need to do for this product is A, make sure that you do have the 180-degree hinges, and B, drill this hole. Now we've been using Ty's van for testing and prototype, so the hole's already there. So you won't see me drill it in this video, but we'll talk through where exactly to drill it. So from the edge of this body line, or basically the bottom of the window, you'll come down 3.5 inches. Then hook your tape measure on this inner door edge and measure over 10 3/4. Start small with a pilot bit, maybe about 1/8 inch, and drill up to a 3/8. Now this step is helpful, but not necessary. I like to drill all the way through to this inner panel and then use a step bit and make this hole a little bit bigger so that I can just run my socket in there to tighten the bolt down. Now that's not necessary because you can get in here with a wrench. This just makes it a little easier. So at this point, you're going to want to grab a buddy and gather up a few pieces of hardware. You're going to grab this round rubber donut, the long bolt, and you'll grab these 2 plates. This goofy shaped one is shaped like this to specifically fit the space on the inside of the upper hinge. There's no way you can put this in wrong. It's totally self-explanatory. And the same with this lower spacer or washer. There's only one way that it'll actually go and line up with the holes. So what we're going to do is put this bolt through the inner mount, and then we'll slide the donut rubber washer on, and we'll temporarily just kind of push it through the hole that we just drilled, and that'll help hold it in place while we line up the 4 main hinge bolts. It'll be just a little bit easier to put this bolt and rubber donut on ahead of time. Now we'll just line this up on the door. Having that one loosely on will make putting these on quite a bit easier. We're using a 7/32 hex key and a 9/16 socket to tighten these down. All right, now we're tightening down the 5th and final bolt, and I've got an L-shaped hex key, 7/32 for this inner one, and we'll probably end up with a little cutout here so you can just stick the T-handle in there. But for now, I'm using an L-shaped one and a 9/16 socket on the back. And that's it. Now you're ready to put on our toolbox or any other accessories you have planned. And if you've got the driver's side stuff, check out that video. If you have any questions, reach out to us at roambuilt.com. Thanks for watching.